Amicus curiae is a Latin for friend of the court, a party or an organization interested in an issue which files a brief or participates in the argument in a case in which that party or organization is not one of the litigants. For example, the American Civil Liberties Union often files briefs on behalf of a party who contends his constitutional rights have been violated, even though the claimant has his own attorney. Friends of the Earth, or the Sierra Club, may file a supporting amicus curiae brief in an environmental action, in which they are not actually parties. Usually the court must give permission for the brief to be filed, and arguments may only be made with the agreement of the party the amicus curiae is supporting, and that argument comes out of the time allowed for that party's presentation to the court.